please, can you find a way? Get on the bar with the Gideon. Okay, they don't. Can you find a way and talk to Viviana? Let Viviana talk to my Viviana.
I thought by now you should understand the things that I'm passing through now. I was even thinking a way. In fact, I'm looking for a way to meet you. That I will tell you to help me talk to Vivian, so that Vivian can talk to Viviana for me.
Don't you know that, in fact, for days now, or let's say days now, me and Viviana, we are not talking to each other.
Your own is days. I cannot even count my own. I cannot even count the last time me and Viviana talk.
Fiona, from here and where is Andrea?
It was like, if you know the request of Yahoo is a window, I will follow you to anywhere that you go. Don't mind me. Someone did it.
Let's just be happy. Let's just be happy.
Baby. So, baby, help.
Forgive me, baby.
Where are you? Where have you been?
It's my brother that said that we should not come near you people. She's our brother. He wants us not to be seen with you people again.
I'm even, in fact, the problem I'm having now is even because of your brother. Yes, I don't want it to look as if me and your brother, we are fighting. Because I may eventually kill your brother.
Okay, so what do we do now? Okay,
See, let's go to somewhere and discuss.
Yeah, somewhere is good. Let's go to the somewhere and discuss. We need to go to somewhere and discuss.
You people should do something about him.
No, we'll do something, but not here. Let's leave here before there's something to come and happen to us.
Once we get to that somewhere else, then we can do something.
Yes.
Something comes from that somewhere.
Yes, something must be something that will form something.
Please go now before he comes.
Right. I was even telling my friend,
yeah.
How can I get that? Let us someone courage.
Just have the boldness.
Exactly. Confront him in another way so that he will not notice our life.
No, there's no problem. Me now like this, I don't get the bone. I don't get the boldness.
Boldness.
Yes. No. If you come now, we'll go face up. What's in there? No be man.
No, make him just come out first.
When you just present himself.
Come out. Our friend.
Quick. I won't point up for me.
No,
it's good afternoon.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. No, are we mad to bite you again, sir?
What did I do here? They wait up for me. I won't point up for me.
No, sir.
We will not fight you now. In fact, firstly, we want to apologize. We want to say sorry for whatever we have done.
Yes.
And the ones we are planning to do, we are very, very sorry.
Over sorry, sir. Sir, we discovered that your sisters are mannerless.
Very, very stupid. Sorry.
My sister are very, very bad. Wallahi.
Bad. In fact, baddest. Badai bites.
Yes. Your sisters.
Your sister.
I like them for you.
Thank you, sir.
I like them for you, man.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. And Allah bless you, sir.
On your bike, Allah. Okay, over here. Allah get blessed, sir.
Yes. We want to see if we'll take you out.
Yes, take you out.
Where they go?
No, sir, not that kind of taking. We mean to give you something like buy you and meat.
Yes, added pepper with liver. Then added chilled drink. I like burukutu very, very much. Hey! Yes, we are not buying burukutu. We are buying drink and what did I talk for me?
No, I said
made a drink chill.
It chilled.
You are burukutu chill. You are. I drink up for
this side, sir. So we follow this side.
Pull up for me for front, pull up for me back. Yes, different.
Sir, different.
Are they mad?
No, I said, are we mad?
Pull up for front, pull up for back.
Oh, okay. It's a messy different, but you could sing it back.
Why? I drink up for drink.
Yes.
Okwito. I love her because of you. There's Solomon. Are you welcome?
More 2 bottles. For him.
Bring more what? You know you are still owing me for the last time. You've not still paid.
Don't worry, we are paying everything, even the one we didn't tomorrow.
Who is paying for these ones now?
We are paying.
You are who? Okito. Well, I don't even want to reason your matter. Okay. You are the one paying, Abi? Yeah. You are the one paying. Now you I know.
There is Solomon. I like him. I drink him for this one.
Should I open it for you? You say you give me my money back?
Yeah.
I drink. Apito. I drink, I make them for my eye. I return them. I grind, I don't clump up on my head. Clump up on my head. I return them.
Take it easy, my husband. Take it easy. Take it easy. My husband, you are weak. The drinks, the food, including myself, is for your dinner.
Okay. I don't marry up for my wife. Why didn't I call him for this place?
This is heaven. Little heaven of no regrets.
If this place I be heaven, I get them for 12 virgin for heaven. Where is that 12 virgin? Make I use them for my hand, select them for the one I want.
My darling husband, I am the 12 virgins all packaged in one for your pleasure.
12 virgin for one.
Exactly.
Okay. If I begin and work for you, blood I go pull them for heaven, blood go pull them for everywhere for heaven.
No problem.
Okay. Make I start on for?
Where do you want to start from? The drinks, the meat, the food? Where do you want to start from?
I go start them for drink. I go drink them for drink. I go chop them for meat. I go disvirgin them for 12 and 1. Blood I flow them for heaven.
So let's start with the meat, right?
12 virgin and 1. As I peel them for myself where I did.
We will kill ourselves. My husband.
Heaven I sweet.
There's something Mama Moku is there, Mama. nwoke ha nakata ụpọ. Idiotic twins.
Are you still feeling bad? I miss Boko Haram. I don't want Daddy to die.
Have you forgotten all the bad things he was doing to us? Eh?
I miss Boko Haram. He used to make me laugh. And all those things he used to say. Where is that girl? Come here quickly.
Yes, he used to make me laugh too, but there's nothing I can do about it.
I want him to come back. He used to make us laugh.
What's that thing you used to say?
If people not because of Zaho, he's
Anyway, let him stay there.
Please, will you bring Boko Haram back?
Okay, I'll bring him back, but on one condition. You promise not to tell anyone about this.
I will not tell anyone, no.
You promise. I'll bring him back. Oh, let me 1 minute. I'll bring him back. Oh yeah, tell me. Say that thing you used to say.
He will say, people know to be because of shower is all.
Baby, one day. How come you know his language?
He's my brother from the other
Anyway,
mother.
let him stay there for now. Eh?
I like his style.
otu nwa nwoke ofu mkpụrụ anya ji isi ụgwọ ebee ka nwa m nọ unu kọrọ m nwoke a na ọ bụ na unu enyeghị m nwa m nwoke adịrị bụ na unu hapụ nwa m hey onye ji nwa m otu nwa nwoke ofu mkpụrụ anya ji isi ụgwọ pụtara na m ya ọ gịnị ka m merụ hey eri ụwa ụmụ nwanyị oluzie ka nwa nwoke bịara nsogbu wee pụta ihe m mere unu kọrọ m hey nwoke a na ele ebe nwa m nọ nwa m nwoke ofu mkpụrụ anya ji isi ụgwọ nwa m otu nwa nwoke nyenụ m nwa m ole ihe mere unu kọwara m ihe mere
Bring back my brother. Bring back my brother. You can't bring back my brother, Boko. Bring back Boko Haram. Bring me back.
Baby,
Bring back my brother.
I'm begging you, please.
It's okay to bring him back. We're not. It's not that easy. It's not going to be easy.
Let's go there and beat her up. When he's drunk, and carry him away.
Yes, now. She was my class teacher. I took him there. I can also go and bring him back.
See, what I'm just imagining, I am just imagining how all of a sudden this freedom will just suddenly end. No, because if you do, what I'm going to do, me and my friend, or rather my brother, we're going to pack our things and then run away.
Hey, my love, no, now.
She won't do anything.
They don't cry again.
What he will do to us. See, let me just go and come,
Baby, are you not going with us? Understand us.
Yeah, people should go and bring back my brother. Bring back Boko Haram.
It's okay.
Bring him back.
It's okay now. I promise to bring him back. Let's go.
Bring back Boko Haram. Bring him back.
My husband.
Hi, Kutos.
Yes.
I love him for me very, very much, wallahi.
I love you too.
Give him for me, mate.
not too strong.
I like them put as strong.
There are big difference between earth and heaven, and this place I be able.
Yes.
I wake up, I chop them for food, I drink them for water, I chew them for meat. I wonderful, very, very much different food.
My husband.
Huh?
Promise me you will stay with me here forever.
Are you mad? Are they stupid? I know they am ready to live up for this place. Heaven I like them, but light and lie. I am ready, I go die and for here, I stay for here forever and ever. I don't go and for any place. I stand for any place. Anybody I won't carry them for me, come out for heaven, dagger them for me, but lie.
Come here. My husband. Vivian, my wonderful, beautiful girl. Hi, you just gave me a husband just like that. Eh? What can I do for you? Just tell me.
Okay. Auntie, please, I want my brother back.
What kind of rubbish talk is that?
Hey, Auntie, I'm very serious.
Give me. Eh? You must be joking. What do you mean by that? You want what?
Auntie, please, I am begging you in the name of God. Release my brother to me. Let me go home with him. Hey, I want him back.
Over my dead body. Did you hear me? Over my dead body. Wait oh. What can that mean? Giving him to me a little, let me go give you again. It will not work. It will not. Come. Listen to me. You see him? Forget him. Forget he exists. But you will never see him again.
I will not live here today without my brother.
Get out of here before I kill you and bury you at my backyard. Hey. You know how many I've kept there? Hey. Get out. Are you still here? You're still here. Get out of my compound. Get out of my compound now. I'm scared the little rabbit away. I'm going to right now. I'll take
What happened? Where is Boko Haram?
Can you imagine? She refused to release him.
Hey! Let's go and beat her.
No. I want you to go and talk with him. You will enter there secretly while we watch out for her, okay?
Okay, let's go now.
Wait, where is Daddy?
He's sleeping.
Okito and David is going with us, okay?
I will box her.
Amen, let's go.
Stomach.
Let's go and see if you have strength.
I will box her stomach.
Let's go.
Viviana, come. I got the key.
In fact, first in your entire life, you follow destruction just the way it was given to you. Hey, pack it up. Any better. Benami will take it. Oh, yeah, little Kairi. Why you're just to walk away.
my people they buy for ticket come for heaven. Why everybody just die anyhow? Why is able to feel like that I come for heaven? I dey do for shy here. Fafiola, I'm not supposed to for his place. I'm supposed to for her prayer. Fabiola, I dey for heaven.
See, Daddy wants to die. We came to return you home.
Papa, my father, I die. I come for heaven. I give up for 12 virgin. I give virgin and for them. The both of you, if I die, I never give up for virgin for woman.
No, see, Daddy has given you all his inheritance, including beautiful. Yes, to marry.
Papa, he give me for Ibitos.
No, not Ibitos. Daddy married one beautiful virgin for you. Come and see.
I know they will go.
See enjoyment.
If Papa die, if Papa die, I come for heaven. I give up for 12 virgin. As a both of you, I die. I never give up for 12 virgin.
See, plenty enjoyment. Look, you.
I don't want to come for you.
I'm sure you broke it too. Enjoyment. Take it.
If you die for Brukutu, never give up for me. Give up for me. Brukutu. Fabiola, I find out for Brukutu, I don't sell for Brukutu. I go for heaven, I don't sell for Brukutu. I don't drink up as I will drink. I like up as Fabiola, what did I come for this one? I call up for Brukutu.
They are drinking.
Brukutu is what's up for me. This is why I don't possess.
Is back! Chikodi! You're back!
Why everybody I did die? Papa? What did I do for heaven?
Which heaven? We're in a house in the village. What happened?
God, I beg, kill up for me, take up for my life. I want to go back to Ibitos. I give up for me for enjoyment. I chop up for meat. I chop up for drink. I want to go up for Ibitos.
What are you talking about?
I want to die up for me. I want to go up for heaven. I want to give up for heaven.
Hey. Can you see now?
My eye, I don't clear.
Okay. So, where are you now?
I down for my father up for village.
God, I thank you. This is a miracle. God. Now, get up. You go and take your bath. After that, you eat. Go and take your bath. Get up. Get up. Oh, God, I thank you. Oh, God, I thank you. Hey! 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 This is a miracle.
Fufiana.
Oh, what is it? Eh?
I need that for my help.
What?
Take me go for Iquitos.
Who is Iquitos?
Yakumaki na aka. Iquitos for heaven. Iquitos for enjoyment. He give me plenty via. He give me plenty meat. I chop and for meat. I come for there. He give me for beer. Take me go for Iquitos.
Me came to heaven of enjoyment and gave you beer. Are you okay? You know Zikwe? Eh?
Mama na yakuma aka mana. Eh? I come for there. He tell me say make I come for my fafa house. He give me for plenty via. I like him for enjoyment. Take me go for Iquitos now.
Biko, Iquitos or whatever does not exist. Huh? You are not even dead. How come you went to heaven? Please leave me, oh. Biko.
I got them for another experience.
What?
My throat they call me dry. I want drink and for beer. I no get them for money. I beg Viviana buy them for me for drink.
Please, I don't have money. If your throat is dry, go inside and drink water. Biko, don't disturb me. Meanwhile, come on. Where is Fafa? I saw him this morning carrying bag. Where is he going to? Huh?
I don't know for where Fafa go. Fafa carry him for back. Tell me I say I don't know where they go. You don't tell me for anything.
He has gone to North to bring another son to make you to Boko Haram in this house.
Thunder fire for me.
Good for you.
God punish him very, very, very for me.
Very good for you.
Only me and my father get up for me for son. My father not born up for anybody for son. Now only me go take everything that my father get them. Now me go take my father for house. Now me go take my father for land. Anybody will come up for here say won't take my father for house. If Fafa come back here for another fikin, I go dagger him.
Don't deceive yourself. He's bringing another son in this house, so don't deceive yourself.
Fire the fikin. Fire me. Fire everybody.
Nonsense. What kind of life is this? Mother Yezi Kenone. Because Zurga Weba Onyalo.
I'm the one. I am the one. Okay, fine, good. Look at me. See where? Look at me.
Come on, no, don't touch me. Look at this irresponsible fool. If you ever touch me again, I will deal with you.
I know you are angry, but what have I done to make you this angry? I cannot really tell. And you know I cannot come to your house because your brother is already back.
Thank God you know he's at home. Idiot.
What I'm begging. What I'm begging you. If I offended you, knowingly or unknowingly, anyhow, just find a place in your heart and forgive. Meanwhile, I don't even know what I have done. What have I done that made you this angry? Yes, explain to me, people.
Okay, tell me, what do you have to do with us? Okito, what do you have to do with her?
Okay, Equitos. Okay, okay, right.
Shut up! You liar! If I ever see you near me or my house again, I will kill you. Rubbish, useless man.
Okay, look at.
Come on, get away from here.
Am I kneeling? Okito, are you kneeling down? Okito, actually, are you just kneeling down? Yeah! Maybe man, I'm the money I get. And somebody might be looking. took it. I can't believe you are kneeling down. You are kneeling down.
Another step, I'll call my brother Boko Haram.
What nonsense is this? No, tell me, what nonsense is this? Why have you decided to take away my wife, my woman, away from me? If you don't want to be happy, you don't want your sister to be happy too?
Happy with you. Oh, yeah, stay there, let me call him. Boko! I mean, Secretive!
Call him! Call him! We'll die today, one person will die! Call him! You can't do anything!
Why did you make me?
Uwake!
You want your own too.
I don't tell her for me my name not be Boko Haram, my name is
why you're hitting me.
Shake ya!
Idiot!
My name not Chukwadi, my name not Boko Haram.
Let me pause.
You? But Achibako? I want to for me don't come to my house, Kaizo? Huh? Me I don't for them? I'm very, very sorry, but just that, in fact, I'm sorry for coming to your house to Thunder fire me! Eh? Thunder fire me! Go punish me! No, Thunder will not fire you. We'll just consider it how I feel. If one decided to take away the only thing that makes you happy, the only woman that makes you smile, the only thing that anytime you remember the person, all your joy will come back. Eh? That is the reason why I've been shot and they say they will kill me. I said let them just kill me. I get them first I feeling. Allah ku anaren se muka get them first I feeling. No, I'm not saying you have sound feeling. I said that my woman, I'm very, very sorry for shouting in your house. Why would I shout when somebody like you is I won't die? Kanajina, wait for me. Make I bring them to sit. Make we sit down talk them one on one. So now one sit down for here. And they bring them for chair, make we talk. Wait up for me. Kachi, what be that my name again? I know your name will be my name. My name. Okay. My name is David Solomon. See, Solomon. I get them for experience. I get them for very big experience. Well, I'm a nice person. If you can talk to me, fine. You can confide in me. I die, I go and for heaven. I meet them for Equatus. Equatus give me for plenty enjoyment. I drink them for everything. You are not dreaming. Huh? I will take you to Ekuto's house. You know for the place? I will do that, but you have to accept under one condition. Why? Any condition me, I accept them for them. Let's go, Mutumina. I never talk of the condition. You don't accept. The condition is this: you have to make Vivian and Bibiana to quarrel, so that Bibiana will leave her community. That one I know pretty one. It go hard very well. It go difficult. Somebody because I tip him for Bibian 5,000 naira. My 5,000 naira and the Nasa Tamuta, I tip him for Bibian is very angry. Very angry. It's difficult. Well, I'll give you the 5,000 naira so that you give to Bibiana back. Huh? You give up for me for 5,000 naira? You give up for me for 5,000, I go make 2 of them the poor. I like working. Let's go to my shop. Go.
What did you do to me? You didn't look okay that I offended you.
Yeah, they are the same thing. I just don't want to invite you. Shut up.
Not yet.
Fabiona. Wannan zage are very beautiful wallahi.
Hey, Zafiona not beautiful.
The both of you are very very beautiful. Fabiona, you are very beautiful wallahi. I tell her for you.
People should not come and me.
I record her for you. You are very beautiful. Jipa, from today, I be thy sister, you be thy brother. There's no more fighting for this house wallahi. I raise.
No fighting. I'm tired of fighting. No fighting.
Fabiona. Fabiona. Come. Zagila very beautiful wallahi. Since I know sky be like spoon. They like this. See the money I steal them. I collect them from your back. I give them for you back.
You are returning my 5,000.
Correct one.
Thank you.
Where
is this from?
Solomon David say I give them for shoe.
Solomon David. Wow.
Solomon David, I like him for you very very much.
I like him too.
Who? You like him? Kenya, I spoil him for you very well. Hey, Fabiona, no tell him for Fabiona pa. Kina jiko?
I promise.
You will tell him for Fabiona? Promise him for me.
I promise.
If Fabiona ask him for you, tell her say I give him for you for sure. Kina jiko?
I will tell her.
They be Solomon. He like him for you for very very much. They be Solomon. He kill him for me for you. I spoil him for very quick pa.
I like him.
Keep in pull him for here. I pull him for do. Hide him for very very much. He spoil him quick pa. Solomon, Matan Solomon. Fabiona. I like her for my head very very much. My head I pass Fabiona on they like Fawunyash.
Thank you.
Yawa. Where you? See how pour up. You like a pour on
I like it.
Huh?
Yeah. Malik, what are you up to? Huh?
Oh. To make that one, what will be my problem? Huh? I give her for my sister something, I be your problem? I do for batting? What will I worry for you? If I give her for Fabiona go collect her quickly. What will be my problem? Fabiona, you like her for what I give her for you, ko?
I like it.
Huh? I don't know what you're up to, but you won't succeed. Bibiana, drop that thing.
Oh. Since I see, you like him for?
I like it.
Huh? I said drop that thing quick. Nonsense.
Fabiona, kina jina ko, isampo for thy sister ko. Thunder must fire for me. Shegia. Collect up. You like up for this one for one takada, one book. Use up, you open your nyash, you shit up for well. Use up, fill up for your nyash very well. You like up?
I like it.
You carry and hide and pour them. Kina china ko? You know I said there be Solomon like them for you. If somebody do one for bad thing, I go punish him. Yeah. Person do one for good thing, I go punish him. If Okita do one for bad thing, I go punish him. There be Solomon do one for good thing, I go punish him. I know like them for there be Solomon. Why are they punish him for them?
Make my sister happy.
Don't problem for me. What did that be my problem? Your sister, I no go make him for you happy. I know like him for there be Solomon. He wants up for there be Solomon. He wants up for there be Solomon ko. Shaggy, I spoil it too much. This was I get him for small body. Inside una bad thing pull him for everywhere. He dey like him for what? Shaggy, I spoil it too much. No give him for Pipiana, no give him for Pipiana. He hear him for me. Go. Pull him for this way. Now when you pull him, you come, you go hide him for him. All these small girls, when they like them for backyarding, they like them for batting way. Hey, Fafiona, so we are more than bullet. That's what I am going to here. Customer. Hey. Cremation.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Baby Soma! Hey, baby mo, baby, kuchi. Baby. You need anything? I don't want to chop up for anything. Babe, how are you? Kai. Have you eaten? As a like up for Guarano to far. Yes, this one don't spoil. I go bring you one. For not I the chop up for spoil Guarano to Belmont. Okay, I take. There be so much. Enter with them. I go there here. They watch up for you. Have you eaten? I cooked beans since last Thursday.
Nyama.
It's still okay. These are our supermarket.
Very big.
Serious? People do come here. People from other countries come here, come buy this. Tomorrow I'll travel outside. And I'll go Sapele.
Are you serious?
Go buy stockfish.
Hey.
Then I'll go Olo. Then go bring refuge. Then don't be sick.
Hey.
I'm an importer.
You're so
Baby Solomon. I like that for Ampo. This one. Fabiana, I do a small smoker. Take another granite.
Come. Where are you two coming from at this time of the night?
Fafiona, I swear that God, I demand. Fabiana, it sounds like sister, I demand. I dey come up for here, I dey tell me for where they go to. Why I go tell them for where they come from?
Bibiana, where are you coming from?
Shut me up. Why? Me and Babiona, I no go for the same place. Babiona, go?
I am not talking to you. Bibiana, I said, where are you coming from?
I went inside the bush to be so.
I
went inside the bush.
Do I look funny to you? You think this is a joke, Abi?
Don't let me show you. Why I won't cry for me? If Fabiana beat up for you, beat them back.
Stop and go.
Jesus. You stupid Rita, how dare you talk?
Fabiana! Snake in the monkey shower! Pull up, pull up! Papiona, I swear I'm for you, I am very, very hungry, wallahi.
I'm hungry too.
Okay. Akwai problem there. And Fafiona, I know they talk for the both of you. Fafiona, I'm very, very angry with us.
Let her be angry, I don't care. She doesn't even know how to cook.
I know Sabi cooking for good food.
Don't worry, I'll be cooking for us henceforth.
You are going to cook for us?
Yes, now I'll be cooking.
Are you mad?
Okay, hunger will kill you.
If you cook for the food, chop them alone. I go chop them for outside. Okay?
Hunger will kill you.
Look up for this one.
I am no longer a happy woman. Maybe it's not my destiny to have a man of my own. I have kidnapped more than 7 men from this village and married them, but none of them stayed. To another place, but I need a man. Without a husband, I'm going to die lonely. I can't stay alone without a man. I need a man.
Babiona, I like the way I wash out for thy clothes.
I want it to be clean.
Clean, Kuma.
I'm watching it well so that Solomon David will like me.
I small and for very small. I get up for bad button inside. Me, I really like washing for my clothes. I like if I wear them for clothes. Clothes I go to smell. I walk. Clothes I smell. It sweet me for body.
You are a dirty pig.
So people I like up for what trouble wallahi. Kai.
Viviana, why will I spread my clothes? Viviana, why are you doing this? Is it because Daddy traveled? Wait, let Daddy come back.
I know that problem. I the best. I don't lose up for control where I did. Kai.
All I've ever done is to make you happy. That's all I've ever done. But just because I flattered your others, that's why you have been so mean to me.
What did I do? What you put up?
Vivian. I'm kneeling down. Please, anywhere I wrong you, anywhere, in fact, anything I did wrong against you, just pack all of them like an answer. Pack dirty, throw away all of them. Just forgive and forget. Let us continue our jollification. Mona de Bamba, very important. Oh?
Bia, just get up and get out. I said get out!
Chorokwe, not get up and leave, but get up and get out.
Get out is what I said. Sheba, what?
Don't you have forgiveness in your dictionary?
Hey, forgiveness. I don't have forgiveness in my dictionary. I don't have. Have you forgotten all the things you did to me? Now you want me to forgive you, Abi?
Papiona, thunder fire for me.
Fire you too?
Papiona, I thunder I wanna put you one day. Fire for me very, very much. What did I quit to do for you when person nobody do for you before? Eh? I decrease? I don't be forgiven for I quit.
I can't believe that you can be this wicked. Very wicked girl. Very wicked.
Because who is talking? Bia, have you not noticed that I don't talk to you? Because do me a favor, don't talk to me. Do me a favor, don't talk to me. Stay on your own. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want anything from you. I told you more talking. Because
they are talking to me now. You said, have you not noticed that I'm not talking to you? You just talk to me now.
Bibiana, I am warning you. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Because stay away from me. I don't want you. I want to stay on my own. Because no, very, very wicked. Come on, get out.
Shagia.
I will blow you. Stupid girl. This guy is very wicked girl. What I will do to her?
I depend upon me. I don't let her for control.
Yes. I will.
Controller of people, controller of custom.
You see what I will show you in this house.
Is he Bibiana?
Okay, I decrease. Why I go ask me I be Babiona?
Bibiana. You are Bibiana.
It's me.
Bibiana, you are back.
Yes. Mom, it's me.
You are back in Toto.
Yes. I will show Viviana. I will deal with her.
You are.
No, it's very wicked.
You are.
Very wicked. We will deal with her.
You do not put on back. Babiona, give up a snake a monkey shadow. You are.
If you see what happened today, I cannot believe it. When I saw it happening, if you see the way Bibiana was talking back at Viviana, I said, sure, what could be the magic? What is happening? Also, I heard that you and the Bibiana don't cling back up. 5 and 6. So I'm here to find out what is the magic. Tell me the magic. Because
well, I don't. Now that you know that area Hausa now. The area Hausa. I meet him and say, see, I beg, I want me to just help me talk to Viviana. He say no. Say ain't if Viviana want to say Viviana no figure. I said okay. I don't even talk about the gifts. Things when they come here come carry. I said okay, if I give you 5,000 naira, the money where you talk say it thief, what will you do? As I talk the same finish, I can't give the money. When I give him the money, he come bring another request again. Say, he go one make Kakara and go Ekuto's house. I said, okay, if they Ekuto's house, no problem. But you must do the one I tell you. I give him the 5,000. I saw the magic break anyway.
Churu. Mba, if Ronka Ikuna, this one now, you can cut it off. Why not show him the other house and not take with us.
I beg, I cannot just do anything to please you and displease myself. I will do what is in my mind. I want to make myself happy, not to make you happy. Allow me do what I have in mind, though.
You have killed me.
Me, I lie. You know, people want for me anything. I go win and for you well.
I will fire you today.
I go win and for 1. I go win and for 2. I go win and for 3.
I will fire you.
Wait. You give up for pick 2. I go give up for pick 2. You go pack up for 2. Wait. I go play am now. To play.
Pick two, last card. Check up!
I lay up. I put on for this one 5. I put on for this one 7.
Lie! I win you!
Kerienke.
I win you!
To Keria, hold on, ma. Pick 2.
2, 1.
Keriane, I put on for the okay.
Bibi.
My cutie, baby.
Brother,
See. Hi. See, this is you. See, I've missed you so much. I've missed you. To the extent I cannot even eat, I cannot sleep, I cannot drink water. I said, no, let me come and see you. Even if that to just see you eyes small, I will go.
I'm very happy to see you too.
Oh, you know I love you.
I love you too much.
Aye, so Romo. I maganan emonye you talk for me, the talk we talk
He said no, follow.
You get waiting him buy. I suppose can I come? So no can. You go come shop. When you come shop, I go give you the thing.
I follow you go and po shop for now.
Okay. Yes, you go follow us, but no be now. You go come house in my shop when you come. We know how far.
We will see. I love you. Hi. I too sharov koi. I love you.
Hey, so you people have stolen my twin sister from me. She does not listen to me. She's not even afraid of me anymore.
Burong Ubanke. Shagia. Why I go be afraid of you? I be ghost? I be ghost? Why I go be behind? I go there afraid of you? Liba make she do what she won't do, pa. You know, get control what she do.
You know that Bibiana is not sensible. If anything happens to her, I will blame you for the rest of my life.
Naji, I know for your problem, you lose some for control where Bibiana there, you they pay you. Shaking aye. So Roman tepi kawai, do up anything you want to do for them. Woo! Baby Solomon, I don't pop. I take them for you, go on for I put us up. Yes, we go, but no be now. We will go. No be now, make I tidy some things. We will go. But I go for my place today, go? Yes, we will go. Call me. Shall I make all you? You will. We will go. Okay, I finish up. I should go for granite, go? Yes. Okay. Granite. Why are you very to walk on me? You don't like it. Wait. Wait, my blow father. There be so much I correct for this one part. I said I people solve with this. I know before heaven part. This one I be for this village. I people I tell for this village. My brother, tell am for greeting, I dey greet am for me. I dey find am for Equitos. Equitos.
Oh, Equitos. Equitos, she doesn't stay here any longer. This is my house now. I'm the new tenant.
Okay, I don't understand the promoting I dey talk. Equitos, I give up as I drink, I give up as I meet. Equitos, I get am for prod, I get am for.
I said Equitos doesn't stay here any longer. This is my house. Huh? She doesn't stay here. She has packed out. This is my house.
The Equitos, you know. This is my house. What am I going to do? No! I have somewhere I'm going. I have an important place. What is wrong with you? These are lucky people. Go. What the devil man? Equitos, I wake up for the laundry. I don't go.
Not serious. Someone tells you this is his house. You want to have for him.
Wallahi, Equitos, I don't live up for me.
Oh, you mean your woman?
I don't know. Equitos, I give me pose, I drink. I give up for me for food. Equitos, I give up meat, I chip up for me. Equitos, I did for heaven.
Is that why you're crying? I love men who are caring and romantic as you are. I just wish my man can be this caring and romantic as you are. Yes. Equitos, I don't go. Yeah? But another person I go come. Stop crying, okay? Drink up and forget all your sorrow.
I no get time for money to drink because I drink.
You no get time for money? Don't worry. Drink up on me, okay? Let me get you a drink so that you drink and forget your troubles. Equitos, I don't go. But another woman, I go come. Sharply.
Equitos, I get up for my character, Equitos, I get up for my character.
And get you drink.
No problem. What if I be my name again?
Titi.
Can't Titi I be good person for? Bring up for drink. Bring up for drink.
Equitos, I don't go. Another woman, I go come. Yeah?
Like bring up for drink. Bring up for drink, Equitos. Equitos, I give up for me. I give up for drink. Why you Allah? Basra bunda na yi musu. I don't know what I do up for them. Why you Allah kwashe mun mamana? Akwashe mun mamana. Why you Allah na? Equitos. Duniya na yana wucewa. Kwame babinsa akwai karuwa. Wayo Equitos, I pack up for my clothes. Equitos, I live up for village. I go for Equitos, I don't go.
How did you know? I told you it's a dream.
Keriane, I dey lie. I no be dream, I see am. I go for Equitos house. Equitos, I pack up for everything. Equitos, I don't go. I tell me I be dream. I no be dream.
Hey, how did you know her house? Who took you there?
I took up for myself. I go for there. Equitos, I don't pack up for everything. Equitos, I don't live up for village.
Hey, sorry.
Equitos. And Satamu Equitos. I tip up for my Equitos. Equitos, I live up for village. Equitos, I don't go. Why you?
Hey!
Why you?
Good riddance. They put us a bango. They put us a liver for us.
Oh! Oh, I can just bagam bell on this MSC. What am I going to do about it? What will I do to get her back?
Well, for me, I would suggest if you can think of whatever she loves best, anything she like, get it for her.
Do you mean what I will do or what I will buy?
Anyone. If she now rejects it, you know that there's problem. But I believe she will not reject it.
Bagam, get me egg.
Huh? Could you create
4 pieces or 3?
I'm on Niger.
Vivi Bikon, please, just forgive and forget. Okay, I got good and I noticed that you truly love egg. I said, let me egg you so that your heart will, it will gladden your heart. Because as we are eating this egg now, this egg will enter your mouth. As this egg, move from your mouth down to your heart, it will clear away all the anger.
Don't take this rubbish away from me.
I am what? Huh? Huh? I see a for egg.
Please excuse me.
Wait. Okay.
Now you are back egg.
I know the Quran for you. Viviana. Hi, Viviana. What did I do for me?
Nothing.
Keriane, I dey lie. What did I do for me? I dey brush, I dey do like say somebody I hold on for my neck.
Oh, that. I was only brushing now.
Keriane. But what they brushing ba? Since I down for this house, I dey see am dey brush. I never see am you dey do Kai. Nyariya is I guess I dey look am with one eye.
Thank you.
Shagia.
Hey, he did not notice anything.
Viviana!
Yes, I'm coming. Hey, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Ah, see a kid.
How have you been?
Baby, I don't miss you. I don't miss you.
Like I told you.
You know that business I told you now?
Which?
I need to rush over there. Very urgent.
Why the urgent?
No, the urgent to call for the urgent now, so let me take the urgent. See, let's do all these things. Why we used to do like this? Used to do like.
It's not like that. It's like this. Which one? Like
I love you. I want to sing Olabide for you. I love you. You have
Let me help you to sit now. Go and see.
No. Don't help me to sweep anything. The last time I remember, you were not talking to me because I refused to stop seeing Solomon David.
I'm sorry now. Let's put our past behind us. I'm truly sorry.
You, Commander, you are sorry. You have never told anybody sorry before.
B.C.O. I've changed.
Even if you have changed, I would like us to just stay. Let's remain the way we are, not talking to each other. I'm enjoying it.
So you are enjoying the grudge, Abi?
Yes. Because I'll go anywhere I want to go. I can talk to anybody, do anything I like without anybody commanding me. You commander, you be commanding me.
See, I swear. I will never order you around again. See, you can even take decisions yourself. Whatever you want to do. I will never control you. It's a promise. I will never order you.
Okay, around. But promise that you will not stop me from talking to my kuchi baby.
Here. You can go and marry him if you like.
Okay. Vivi, I'm sorry for fighting you.
Don't just see. We are friends now. Oh, one name, mama, baby, one name. Don't worry, let me sweep for you. Oh?
No.
Don't worry.
Hey. Leave it.
Don't worry now.
I want to show you that I've forgiven you.
I know now. Okay, if you know you've forgiven me, allow me to sweep the place. Wait, let me see.
Oh, okay. Sweep it well.
Baby, one name. Oh, for one name. Vivian, why are you spitting like that?
My mouth is bitter. And I feel so terrible.
Huh? When last did you see your period?
I don't know. It's been long.
Vivian, hey! Vivian, You are pregnant. Do you understand what that means? It means you are going to give birth after your stomach swells up. Hey!
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's from the hospital that people used to bring babies from.
Will you stop this rubbish? Huh? You think it's a joke? See, Papa will kill you. Oh, you boogie more chopper. Huh? Hey! What will I do? What will I do? Jesus. Okay, B, don't worry. I will think of what you will tell Papa, yeah?
Don't think for me. Don't. Commander, don't think for me. I'll think for myself. Don't think for me.
Jesus. Hey! Pregnant, Bibiana, pregnant. Page bukwa yo. B V Afimi. Hey! Anya Google. Hey, Papa will kill us so. What am I going to do?
Kind of urgent message is this? You just said I should hurry. Madam, what happened?
See, why I called you here is I want you to help me beg your woman so that she will help me, everything, all the matter, in fact, all the issues to die low.
What thing happened now?
Bibiana.
Shop over Morocco.
Bibiana.
Fight. She's pregnant. Yeah, Kita, this one, how mad the bagam? How come? What? Why? How? Hey! You're the father who will skin you alive and even bury you alive. You see, Bibiana, consider Bibiana out of this game. Yes, but as I am now, Kito, I am willing and capable. In fact, ready to take up whatever thing that comes out of it. In fact, I'm responsible. So also, you yourself, be ready to accept your own mistakes, your own mistake, particularly.
Serious.
I'm telling you, now.
But I don't want you to do something that when you do it with Viviana, the thing will bounce back to me.
I do not support abortion, for your information. No
problem.
But it's for Viviana. I'll teach you how to respect a man. What kind of word is this? How can these NEPA people, they hardly bring light? What is the problem?
My brother, that NEPA issue is now a big national problem because, in fact, what my happiness now is that the country is getting use of it.
Look at what the man who said the other day that they are buying, that the light we are using, they are buying foreign lights from outside.
How can we do that? There are many things you may try to have in Nigeria, but you will not get it. Just leave it.
How can somebody be paying for light, but there will be no light? We are just used to darkness.
We are used to darkness.
But we are close to the
Baby, I'm sorry for treating you the way I did. I'm sorry for
I told you that when you see Okito, beg him. Tell him, baby, I'm sorry. I've changed. I promise to be a new person. This and that. You need that. You yourself. I'm just saying that you are too proud to say sorry.
I was nervous and I skipped them.
Nervous. Yes. That means you're gonna come back tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. He said I should come back.
Yes, you will come back tomorrow. See how pregnancy don't make Vivian quiet. Because I go add up for the pregnancy this to her
Bibiana, pregnant. Hey! Thank God, it's not even expected. Thank God. Close your mouth now. Do you want people to hear us? Why are you even happy that I'm pregnant? It's good now. You have twins. No. Triplets. Yeah, I have 4. Cute. This is not a joking matter, If Papa hears it, he will kill us. Even his wife will take offense for everything we did to her. Oh, that is not my problem. My problem is that the man I'm pregnant for, I'm carrying his child, is not even talking to me. Where will I go from here? So, what are we going to do? See, I have a plan. A very fantastic plan. Bukoram is coming. Hey, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Fafiona, you agreed for me today?
Hey! I just decided to change, that's all.
Where I borrow for this my change. I want to nyari I no be change one lie.
No, nothing. Hey, okay, nothing at all.
You bad well. Is here today I agreed for me. I dey suspect you are there up to something. Allah kwa.
Okay. Them. Bye. Idiots. Come, do you know what that means? We are carrying babies in each our bellies. After 9 months, we will go to hospital and give birth. It will come out from here. Hey! From here! No, why are you shouting? Why are you stupid? Hey, from here. Baby, that baby, come out from here. Yes, it's a lie. How can baby just come out from here? Truth. See, God is wonderful. It will come out from here, and our belly will be getting bigger every day. I feel mana apota. Will it be big like this, like Boko Haram stomach? Yes. Hey, you want me to shout? See, if Papa hears this, he will chase me and you out of this house. Is it a bad thing to be pregnant? Yes, now. It is. Are we married? It is only married people that are permitted to be pregnant. They know with it, and people with their husbands. Me and you, we don't have husbands. Hello to me, we asked Solomon David to marry me. Hey.
Just for Fiora, what did I discuss about this place?
We're talking about science and technology.
I talk about science and technology. What?
Yes.
What did I be science and technology?
You don't know. Bridges, aeroplane, and ice cream.
Technology, bridges, aeroplane, ice cream. How I thought to be science and technology for ice cream?
It is the science behind the freezing of an ice cream from liquid to solid, and it is done by machine.
Machine I do for block?
Yes.
For ice cream ko? I put on for sugar. I like them for ice cream very, very much.
Me too.
I will buy you 10.
10? Yes. If you buy for 10 ice cream, Thunder don't fire me for that.
Thank you. Hey, they're mad.
Papiona.
Idiot. I feel my our one is finished. I know you don't understand anything. You will not look. I'm not to look.
My mind tells me that they're up to something.
Do not worry, I have told you. Nothing will happen.
I love you, Mommy Monica.
Yes,
I came to tell you that I love you.
I love you.
like I said before, love is good.
Yes, love is good.
Yeah.
Daddy. I love Mommy Monica.
I love you.
Mommy mommy. Hi, woman. Mommy Monica is a
Very beautiful woman.
Definitely. That's why I married her. She once went for a beauty contest.
Mommy Monica is a very nice woman.
And she won.
Mommy Monica continue to be nice. I love Mommy Monica.
Love is good, is wonderful, please. Oh. Yeah.
Promise.
I will.
I love Mommy.
Yes.
Forever
Very
she
beautiful
will
woman.
Yeah.
I'll be natural.
Beautiful woman, I love you too.
Love you, Mommy.
Yes, I love.
Di mama. Di mama eh. Di mututu, di me di mabali. Enwere gemere muka di mo. Ezi di mama.
See how for my father wife. Why you
Where is this one coming from? Huh? What is your problem?
I sample you, I sample my father wife, I damn for very, very welcome.
Don't you have respect where you come from? Don't you? My husband is a titled chief. And you want to lift me up? What is your problem? Huh?
Ngiamuke, I sample you, I damn very, very happy. Sorry, I won't lift them up, but I damn very, very happy.
Who are you? Are you the new security man? The market security man, is it what you are?
Huh? People be say I be my father wife, I pretend me turn the fire up for me. Me turn the fire very, very well for me. I be comrade only son. Na me comrade born for me only son. Na me I dey call Chukwaidi.
You? Are you the son comrade has been talking about?
Kore, ni na kila Chukwaidi.
Chineke. You. But since yesterday I came back, I've not seen you. Where have you been?
I went to see him, I guess.
Girls? Yeah. You mean you have been camping in a girl's house? In a woman's house, that is why you have been camping?
I guess, but I woman ba. They give her for plenty drink. I give her for plenty meat. I chop her for meat.
Okay. No problem. You are welcome. You did a great job with your sisters.
What?
These your sisters. You did a very great job with them.
Chala.
Do you know that since yesterday I came back, they have been very quiet.
Not true was right. Not true was I deal up for them. I catch up for Fifiana. I knock up for head. I catch up for Bibiana. I knock up for Yash. I cramp for my Koboko. I wipe on you. She shout, why you?
Hey, wait now. Jesus. Are we fighting?
How can I not hear tongue? That's how we do up for that place. If we catch up for hand with the turn them. How can I
thank you.
Hey, I do up like that.
Thank you.
Hey,
go inside. I'm coming. I'll come and give you food.
I like them put very, very much.
I can see it.
Wabana.
Hi. Okay.
Hey. Neighbor. These people with the buy bread who they carry truck pass here. Boss. They don't pass today.
I don't pass here, but they don't go that long so.
Because my bread don't finish you. I need to see if I buy bread. I'll go to the office.
Okay.
Gucci. Baby. Hey. Baby. Hey. How are you? How is my baby doing?
Hey,
eating. Yeah, he's eating. Pissing and shitting there.
Inside the place?
Yes.
Let me see if you can smell. Hey. Hi. So how are you?
Gucci. I want to marry you.
Is it?
I want to marry you.
How can you be the one to ask a man or tell a man that you want to marry him? You know, in our tradition, the reverse is the case now.
Why not? You want my daddy to kill me because of the pregnancy?
Yes. I've discussed this thing with my mother, and she advised me to marry you because of the pregnancy. I believe it's a good idea. So by next 2 years, I'll come and collect this and pay for your bride price.
Hey, 2 years. It's 2 years.
It's 2 years close.
It's too far.
Far? Okay, I will make it 2 years and a half.
I want to marry you tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow, eh? I will try. So you will come and marry. That means you really want to come and collect list from my compound.
If you want, I'll come.
Gucci, baby.
Okay, Kuchi.
I like it. Oh, okay.
You said your baby. How's your baby?
The baby is eating, shitting, and pissing there. There's something I want to tell you about.
I hope baby never. It's not all about the baby.
It's about my sister Viviana.
I don't want to hear anything about her.
Oh, okay, to come. My sister is pregnant for you.
Kwendoka. Pregnant.
Because of the pregnancy, that was why your sister suddenly became humble. Humility. Ha! Ekuka! Mbangam. Oh, Hakanja. Eh?
Okay, so will you take my sister back?
I will not take your sister back.
Hey!
Tell you, in fact, let me tell you, as for the baby, I am willing and capable, in fact, ready to take that baby back. But if you see that your sister, I can never take your sister. Bangam, I can't take her back.
Okay, please consider my sister now.
Tell your sister you did not see me. In fact, we did not meet. Bangam.
Okay,
Enubere kondoka. Enugia. Bangam. Bangam. Bangam.
Go back. My sister is pregnant for you. This is not fair.
Baby, kuching, ah.
When I wake up in the morning.
Baby, one name.
I see your lovely face.
You don't know how to sing this song. Baby, kuching, ah, hello. Baby, kuching, ah.
Your little
Hey,
baby,
yo.
just like a morning bliss.
I
don't remember every night I stay with you.
Kuching, ah.
Hey, Mommy Monica.
Oh, welcome.
Hey, my girl.
Let me carry it.
V, wait, you have to go and buy something for me. Vitamin C.
I'm going.
Wait now. You have to take money. Now. I'm not giving you money. And the vitamin C you are going to buy, don't buy the white one. Don't buy the yellow one. Buy the pink one.
No problem.
I'm going. Because I come now. I'm not giving you money.
Money? Hey, how much is vitamin C? I can buy it. It's just a small money. It's a chicken chain. Don't bother yourself. I'll buy it, yeah?
You won't take money?
I'll buy it. Baby. I'm gonna watch. I'm coming. Mama, vitamin C. Yeah. Vitamin C. I'm coming. Hey!
Mommy Monica!
My dear.
Mommy Monica, we have washed all your clothes.
I can see.
Yes, we cleaned the toilet and the bathroom. Is there anything you want me to do for you?
Nothing again, my dear. You have done no good.
Okay, I can do anything for you.
See, you are a very good girl. It's just that it's Viviana that is trying to spoil things, but it is going to be well.
Thank you, Mommy Monica. Okay, I can do your hair for you now.
Thank you.
I can even.
Thank you. I bought something for you. I bought something for you.
Thank you, Mommy Monica. I can do anything for you. I can wash your braid. Anything you want me to do. Okay, let me find you with my clothes.
Baby.
Mommy Monica, let me dance for you.
Okay, dance.
Mommy is the mommy. Mommy is the mommy. Mommy, you don't like this style. Okay, let me dance the rainy style for you. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Mommy is the mommy.
Baby, come. Let's go inside.
My mommy. I love you, mommy.
I love you.
Monica. I love you. I love my mommy. My mommy loves me. I love my mommy. My mommy loves me. Don't follow.
What is it? Clayton's chemist is very far away from here. Are you sure you are from there? Viviana?
I ran with all my power. Yes.
Okay, give me.
Okay. Take ma.
What did you buy now? This one is pink.
Hey.
Did I tell you to buy pink color? Did I?
Hey.
I said you should buy yellow color. That was what I said.
No.
That was what I said.
Yes.
Now take it back.
I am very.
Are you stupid?
Very stupid, ma. Hey, thank you, ma. I am very stupid.
Are you an idiot?
Thank you, ma. Sorry,
Nonsense person.
Yes, ma.
Now, Biko. Take it.
Okay.
Go and return it.
Thank you, ma. Leave
Are you
still
your
harness?
Run.
You said I should do what?
Go and buy yellow color.
This one is pink. Okay, ma. Yellow.
I said you should go and bring the yellow one. The yellow. Hey, the one umanya. Unyo Viviana. Viviana, is this really you? God, I thank you. I thank you. Hey, Viviana Jota Abamu. Okay. Kaina again.
Titi, I did very stupid one lie.
It's sweet?
The one thing I know they turn up for my eye.
Yeah, it doesn't turn in the eyes.
Yeah, I like her for this one. This one I drink her finish.
You like it?
I don't like her for one. I love her for you, Titi.
You love me?
I pick it up for my father. I go kill up for. I don't kill up for my father. My father is very, very important for me. I don't go kill up for my father. I don't go kill up for my mother. I don't go kill up for Fafiona. I don't go kill up for Fabiona. I go kill up for my neighbor. I go kill up for my customer. I go kill dagger up for everybody.
Because you love me. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. You want another drink? Should I get more for you?
Titi. I know what I'm for another drink. If I go, I go carry out for meat. I go for my father house. Titi, I want to start for suya business. I dagger am for nama. I go do amberibe. I go put am for suyo.
Okay, you want to start up a suya business?
I borrow me for money. I go pay am back. You borrow me for the business.
Don't worry. You don't need to pay me. Yeah.
Titi.
I will give you money. I don't need to borrow you. You are my love.
I be idiot. I don't be idiot. I be my love. The
You don't need to pay me. Any amount you want, I'll give you. I'll give you. So you don't need to.
Teacher, I be very good person. Wallahi.
Thank you.
I be very good. So I don't be my own. No. I feel look up for my brace. Yeah? People are the look. Get people come and see me and look up for some brace. What?
Baby, what is it? Again. Come. Jesus Christ. Baby. Look at your tongue. Open your mouth. Yeah, look at your tongue. Chinekeme, you are so pale. Your boss is so strong. Bibiana, you are pregnant. You are pregnant, Bibiana.
It's not only me. Viviana too is pregnant.
Eh? Chim. Viviana is pregnant.
She transferred it to me.
Chim. My two daughters are pregnant at the same time. Oh my goodness. Come on, see. What color of change is this? The change was so drastic. Chinekeme. Hey! Viviana! Come out here if you know what is good for you. Come out here. Viviana.
She has been sleeping this morning. She doesn't want to wake up.
Come on, will you close your mouth? That is a symptom of pregnancy.
Mama, who is pregnant?
Comfort. Have you seen it? So that is what you have done to me now. The two of you are pregnant at the same time. So,
Mama, look at me. It's just malaria. I am not pregnant.
What is malaria?
You can't lie. Mama, she's the one that transferred the pregnancy to me.
Okay, I have heard the two of you. I will tell your father when he comes back. He must hear this.
Hey! When he comes back, he must hear this. Mama, please love me. Papa.
Okay, what do you want me to do? If you don't want me to tell him, are you going to piss it? Piss it out or shit it out? Which one is going to?
We will shit it in the toilet.
Is Mama, please, if you tell Papa will kill us. Because don't tell Papa.
I must tell him.
Please,
what is it now?
Have you seen what is called? Come on, get out of my side. Get out, just. Mama, please, Mama, please, come back.
Where's my wife? My wife, where are you? Let me know. I am back. Guess what has happened?
No, I can't guess now. Tell me what.
See, the Eze has made me a cabinet member.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Member of his council.
Member of Igbo's cabinet.
Yes, so the Eze's cabinet, I'll be a member now. A strong cabinet member.
My husband, that would be a very important position.
Hey, I thank God though.
No.
What is it?
There is bad news to go.
What do you mean bad news?
Viviana and Bibiana are pregnant.
Hey! The two at the same time?
The two of them.
Our two daughters?
Yes.
Ewo! Ije love si ekogiri. Amana agakwa ebe ahụ. Ije love si ekogiri. Amana agakwa na ebe ahụ. Where are they?
They're in the house.
Bibian! Vivian, come here, two of you. Come here. The two of you, kneel down here with your hands in your ears. Kneel down. Oh. Viviana, who made you pregnant?
Who made you pregnant?
See, if I slap you now, you know I am serious. Eh? With whom did you sleep?
It's only my sister that I sleep with. I didn't sleep with anybody.
Oh. See, I'm not playing here. So it's Virgin Mary? Or is it a kind of spirit that slept with you? What are you talking about? Huh?
Yes. Solomon David.
Solomon David. Hey! Where did he touch you?
He touched me here. He touched me here. Yeah. He used his thing to touch me here.
Hey, Joe! It's a serious matter. Hey. Don't laugh over this matter. Huh? Then you, who made you pregnant? Who impregnated you? Who made you out?
He's Okito, Papa.
Okito? Okito? Hey! This one, Solomon David, your own Okito. Where's my son?
Abomination! Two sisters getting pregnant at the same time.
Chikaode!
Hey!
Chikaode! Alright. I'm going to delegate him to go and bundle the two of them into this place. Huh? Two of you get out now. Get away from here. Just go and hang on. Wait for the arrival of the two idiots. Huh? Hey! Huh? Give me. Okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Why are you squeezing your face? Is it over the case? Relax. Omekaria kori ekwendo kabangam ogere. Are you the only person?
Okay, you will not understand.
Is she the only person?
You will not understand.
Kubangam mo ekwendo kasakonya da kuyaketa.
Choy.
Ekwanke ukwechoy.
Apito. I dey talk for you. I sit down on program for.
Eh? No, sir. No. We are standing, sir.
Yes, we are studing.
We are standing.
We are studing up.
Okay. I say both of you. I catch up for my sister. I give up for me, Beleko. Yeah, my father wants to for both of you now.
Sir, we are not. I'm sure my friend is not selling powder.
Yes, I don't have any powder. The powder is in your house.
Are they flirting with you?
No, sir.
You
said it's powder. There is no powder here. The powder must be in your hand.
I say, father, tell him say I want to see him for my house now.
Okay, sorry. No the powder. Now the father.
If I go for my father house, I know see him for both of you. I go dagger up for both of you. You don't hear him for me, ba?
I beg. No, my friend don't understand powder. Your father, I beg. We go come. I beg. Yes, we go come.
I get up for my mind. I give up for my sister Beleko.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. As far as not going to carry out thunder,
yes,
it's okay.
Because thunder won't be.
Make I know what I'm for me, pa.
Yes, sir.
Shogunai, Matsia Chikowe.
Naya donya.
I'm also telling you Mechi also kind for.
We don't granite.
You know as we did now. If I chop today, I not get money. Maybe another day.
Okay, so if you don't have money, lock up. Just close it. You don't have money. You're in my shop. You know my condition. Huh? You know my condition. Huh?
You collected the granite from me.
Yes. You see, forget about the granite issue. You know the condition I'm in tonight. You're my very good friend, my person. What you have to do now, just go there on my behalf, speak to them. Let me stay in the shop. If I put it, they might finish first. Bounce on me.
So anything that's me and the man agreed upon, you conquer. Good one. But you marry the girl like
this. Let's think about it.
Yes. Good. Now you know that I'm your friend. Look at the way you moved the granite away from my palm.
Forget the granite or when you go, forget about the granite.
Practice what you say.
If I'm rusty or not, I'm walking on this ground.
Your granite is still here. Do you need water?
Okito, are you responsible for Viviana's pregnancy?
Sir, I'm not denying the fact. Yes, I am responsible. But I don't think I will keep Viviana as my wife.
No, explain better. You won't marry her, but the pregnancy is your own?
Sir, Viviana here, she talks to me anyhow. No respect for me. Imagine a woman who doesn't even know the meaning of respect. She has no respect for the man, for her own husband. Okay, look at me, sir. Am I supposed to be the one who is afraid of my wife? Or my wife who's supposed to be afraid of me?
Which one? You heard what he said. What's your response? Eh?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the things I did to you. I was very stupid and proud. I promise to be a good girl. I promise to respect you. Please, my love, don't abandon us like this. Because of the love we share together, remember I'm carrying your son, please.
Okay, so have you forgiven her?
It's a long time ago. In fact, forgive and forget, sir. I have forgiven, sir.
Rise up and go and hug him.
You.
Hey, Fafa, what did I go to for this one?
As for you, there's no point kneeling. Just rise when your man comes. You will relate to his man. You relate to Bibiana's man. What we reached here.
Sir, my friend, in fact, actually, sir, he's around the corner, but due to...
In this village?
Yes, sir, due to fear, afraid. In fact, he's afraid.
But does he want to marry her?
He wasn't afraid the time he was entering my daughter. So now she's carrying his baby. Why should he be afraid?
He said he cannot withstand you and your wife. But whatever decision in fact, whatever thing you decide, sir, he can conquer.
There is no fear. Let him go ahead. Once he can do what is in the list, that's all. Because of this reconciliation now, I won't put difficult things like the head of a lion.
People bring lion, but this one it won't happen. So let's pray for the day your own man will come. Nobody will be telling one. I think my nobody. Come on, Abano say I got to be me. You want to do that to me?
Thank you.
Chikodi, what is it? Are you hungry?
I know they're hungry and for you.
Oh yeah, come and sit down.
Mama, I want marry and for Titi. You help me tell him for Fafa. I want marry and for Titi.
Yeah, you want to get married?
You what?
It's good now. It's good. But you have to start doing something for yourself. So that you use it and take care of your family.
I don't think I'm for I want to start for suya business. Titi, I sell them for beer. I sell them for different food.
It's okay now. It's okay, but you have to start something so that your father will now help you.
Tobacco me, I tell him for Titi tell me I give him for money, I set him for suya business.
Mba. Don't take any money from any woman. Otherwise, you will lose the whole respect she will have for you. You don't know. Tomorrow she will say she started a business for you. And, you see, you will lose your respect.
What? I tell her for Fafa go give me for money to do suya business.
Your father will give you. Just tell your father, he will give you. Then you will start the business.
Mama. Mama. I like him for you very, very much.
Go into the kitchen. I know you are hungry.
Wawa, I don't know joke up for this place, pa.
I know.
I talk up for marriage, I talk up for my belly, I chop up for food.
Go into the kitchen and carry your food.
What? I keep up for food?
Yes.
Kai, mama. Kai, I be very good woman.
Yes. Go and take your food.
Wow. For kitchen, what?
Yes.
I finish up for the food.
Finish.
For you.